Potatoes, both white and sweet varieties, have similar nutritional profiles in terms of calories, fat, and carbohydrate content. The main differences are that white potatoes contain more starch, while sweet potatoes have more vitamin A and potentially beneficial antioxidants. However, the cooking method significantly impacts the glycemic response and overall healthiness of the potato. Studies show that baking a sweet potato breaks down the starch molecules, converting them into maltose, a simple sugar. This process is less pronounced with microwaving and steaming. Microwaving inhibits the formation of maltose, resulting in a lower glycemic response. Steaming also results in less maltose formation compared to baking, and the steam may even remove some of the sugars. When comparing the glycemic index and insulin response, white potatoes do cause a slightly higher spike than sweet potatoes, but the difference is not as substantial as often believed. The sweet potato skin, which is more fibrous, may contribute to slowing down digestion. Additionally, the anthocyanins, antioxidants, in sweet potatoes inhibit the enzyme alpha-glucosidase, further slowing down the breakdown and absorption of carbohydrates. This effect may be beneficial when consuming sweet potatoes alongside other carbohydrate-rich foods. Interestingly, chilled potatoes, both white and sweet, contain a type of starch called retrograded or resistant starch, RS3. When potatoes are cooked and then cooled, the starch molecules repackage tightly, making them harder for the body to digest. Consuming chilled potatoes results in a lower blood glucose and insulin response compared to freshly boiled potatoes. The resistant starches in chilled potatoes act as a prebiotic fiber, feeding the beneficial gut bacteria and producing short-chain fatty acids, which have long-term positive health effects. In conclusion, both white and sweet potatoes can be part of a healthy diet, with the cooking method playing a crucial role in their glycemic impact. Microwaving, steaming, and consuming chilled potatoes are preferable to baking for better blood sugar control. Sweet potatoes may offer a slight advantage due to their antioxidant content and potential to slow down the digestion of other carbohydrates when consumed together.